The other one must have just gone.
Yeah.
What a cool job, mate, taking people for joy flights all day. Getting paid for it. Like I said, I'd volunteer, mate.
Do you think you would get sick of it?
No, would you?
No. I can't imagine, no.
I'm not sick of driving yet. As if I get sick of flying. My God.
Well, I think when it's your job, it's different.
Oh, I don't know. I don't think you get sick of it, though. How could that bore you? It's a bit different than driving a taxi. Look how small it is, man.
Yeah, man. It's
2 blades.
I want to get the license, man.
Oh, shit, yeah.
How much do you think it would cost you?
About $1,000, I'd reckon.
That's good?
All up, but you can pay it as you go.
Yeah, man. I'll do it. Seriously. If I get money, I'll do it.
Work it. Here he goes. Up and at him. Woohoo! Wild, man. Yeah, sick, man.